Hi, it's Nancy today. Okay, I'm in the marsh woods. We're just inside of the doorway, inside of the sign. And there's a bit of water here. But look at this, under this root. This is the end of the bridge I was making the other day. Remember I sat in that chair over there? I'm on the other side of the stream. I was working on this bridge. And there's my canoe. I guess that's the side of the canoe. Or is that the bottom of the canoe? Weird looking, eh? Okay, well anyway, I wanted to show you this. Look at that down there. Look at that ice. And there's another piece of ice down here. See, the hole is deeper, but this ice is suspended up above it, hanging from the root. Can you see that? Anyway, I just had to show you that because it's so beautiful. Chickadee-dee-dee-dee. Chickadee-dee-dee-dee. There are always chickadees on this side. Chickadee-dee-dee-dee. Dee-dee-dee. Okay. You have to go back in my pocket because you're going to run out of batteries. I know, but you can see so well, can't you? You get a much better view than the little camera. You guys can duel for it. See, and I can never tell where this camera is supposed to be facing. So these are the campgrounds. And there's little, I mean, that's what I call them. They aren't campgrounds, but there were little spaces between the trees. Like this tree is a recent fall. Oh, and I have to get off of this spot because some people, like Coconut Baby, will get very worried if I fall through or if I even think I might. Okay, goodbye.